everyone, welcome to Southern Delight. I am Debbie and I will be your host today, and what we're going to be doing is this neat little project that I have right here. We're going to assemble this beautiful reindeer flower arrangement. I call this my reindeer flower arrangement mainly because of the little antlers that I put in here, but I'm going to show you step by step how to assemble one of these. They're really quick and easy and a lot of fun to make. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel, I would like to invite you to come and join me for my Christmas overhaul. I am starting that as of today, so this is going to be our first project. And I have many more projects lined up for the month of November and on into December. So if you haven't done so already, you might want to go ahead and click on that subscribe button below. And that way you can kind of keep all of my videos together. I'm going to be doing like episode 1, 2, 3, and so on until we complete the complete overhaul. So I have many more projects in line for you, so you might want to go ahead and do that. And also if you click on that bell, it will alert you every time I download a new video. But we'll go ahead and get started with this project, and what you will need is a picture. You don't have to use this one. I picked this one up because this is an item that I do carry in my online store, and I will put that link below. It's www.southerndelightgiftsandapparel.com, but it is an online store and I sell this particular picture in there. This is one of my favorites, and it's called an antler picture. But you will need one of those. I picked up these lovely poinsettias from Michael's, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this project. And you don't necessarily have to use these that are the felt poinsettias. You can pick any poinsettias that you want, or basically any flowers that you want. But in this case, they're just the little picks, and I have 5 of those. You'll also need some little sprays like this right here with the little Christmas tree. They have the berries and the pine cones in this particular one. You'll only need 3 of those. I got these at Michael's as well. And then reindeer antlers. I picked these up in Michael's, and you can use like I've seen berries used in them that you could use for antlers. They have several other different styles, but you can pick these up at most any craft store. I just happen to be a fan of Michael's. And when they have their 50% off sale, I try to navigate that way and stock up. This is a bow that I made previously. And I have a segment where I did a video or a tutorial on how I make my bows. This is just one of the very simpler style bows. They're really easy to make. It only takes about 5 minutes to do. And it's basically all you need for this type of project. And then what I did was I put it with a stem on the back, just added that so that I can stick it in. And you'll also need to get some floral foam for this project to put down in the bottom of this picture. But this is the picture I used, but what I did for the project, I own a Cricut, and I went and I wanted to monogram it. So I wanted the letter P on it, so I took my Cricut and I put it in there and then cut out a P. If you don't own a Cricut or you don't have any access to these, you can buy this, the lettering and so forth. You can get them from craft stores. You can also purchase them from Etsy or someplace like that where people who own Cricuts and then cut them out and sell them to you if you want to monogram it yourself. But what you'll need to do is take the floral foam and poke it down in the picture. And you want to make sure that it comes up to the rim. And we'll go ahead and get started on this project. And what you'll do is take one of these. I like to start here in the center with one of those. I'll take these picks. I'm going to go right in behind it to keep it balanced. Put one on each side here. And I'm going to take this third one to balance it out. I'm going to put this one in the back portion. Then what we're going to do is take these other flowers. I'm going to do 2 in the back on each side of the back of the picture like so. And for these other 2, I'm going to come up, kind of go pull out the center of the second one here, and I'm going to put one in the middle there. put some greenery in front of it and greenery behind it. Same thing on this side. I'm going to go like in the center here between the two where I have greenery in front and greenery in back. And we're going to push it down in the floral foam. And these you can kind of push where they're not all spread out in the front portion. There, let me gather it a little bit. Oh, my little guy just wanted to come on off. And if you have trouble with your flowers popping off like this, you can always take your hot glue gun. Just add a little bit of hot glue to keep it secure on there. I'll take it like such. Now for the antlers, we're going to take in the front part here, I'm going to do antlers. One there and one on this other side. Like that. And then now that I have the bow made and in place, I'm going to just take it and stick that in the front part here, up under the middle flower. So I'm going to have my bow. Fluff it out a little bit. And then voila, you have a beautiful reindeer flower Christmas arrangement. And I just love these because my theme this year, I'm going to do a cozy Christmas cottage is what I have in store. And I'm going to show you several projects that I'm going to use to decorate my living room. Matter of fact, I'm going to do a complete walkthrough. I'm going to show you what my living room looks like when it's bare and go through and show you all the neat little projects that I have in there and what I'm going to do. I've got some really neat DIYs that I'll be doing. And I've got some things that I've just picked up at my favorite stores like Hobby Lobby and Michael's and so forth, and Dollar Tree of course. But I'll be showing you some of those. But that will conclude it for today. Like I said, it's a quick, easy, fun project. Took what, maybe 5 minutes. That's it. And then you have this beautiful arrangement, and all you have to do is just add some other accents to it, and then you've got a country cottage flower arrangement. So, but until next time.